Good afternoon, doctor. My name is Kheng, metric number U2104524. Today we will be presenting the current and future issues for Cardiology department.
My name is Hui Ping, matrix number 22004631.
My name is Wilson, matrix number 22004691.
The main focus within the Cardiology department are the implementation of smart technologies, pacemaker and heart transplant.
The first current issue is the implementation of smart technologies such as wearable devices, mobile apps, 3D printing technologies, artificial intelligence, remote monitoring systems, and electronic health records. The integration of smart technologies has offered many benefits. Some of them include remote monitoring, collection and analysis of extensive health data. Next is early disease detection. Smart technologies enable early detection of certain abnormal signs and enables early treatment plans. However, the advent of smart technologies in cardiology field also comes with certain limitations, including data security and privacy concerns, technology accessibility and inequality. Lastly is the reliability of smart technologies that may lead to misinterpretation of health data. There are several ethical considerations regarding the integration of smart technologies in cardiology department, including the privacy and confidentiality of health data and patient information, data ownership and control, and the informed consent of patients regarding the use of smart technologies.
Pacemaker is a medical device that helps regulate the heartbeat, especially slow heart rate. Traditional pacemaker consists of three main parts: a pulse generator, wires, and electrodes. With the advancement of technology, the leadless pacemaker has been developed. The advantage of leadless pacemaker is minimal invasive implantation and prevent lead complications like fracture and infections. Also, it is compatible with MRI and cosmetically appealing. The first ethical consideration is technology dependence. Next, balance with the cosmetic appeal and medical necessity. Patient health must be prioritized first. Lastly, transparent communications. Patient must be informed about the precautionary measure when doing MRI scan. The disadvantages of leadless pacemaker are the risk of only pacing in the right ventricle and unclear life cycle management. Also, the leadless pacemaker is more expensive and has the risk of perforation. The first ethical considerations is patient autonomy and informed consent. Healthcare provider must give clear understanding of the uncertainty. Lastly is the affordability, as the price will be the barriers of some patient.
A heart transplant is an operation in which failing heart is replaced with a healthier donor heart. However, there are a lot of issues that are still ongoing until today. One of the major issues about heart transplant is shortage of donor organs. There is less donor due to unfavorable dates such as traffic accident, and statistics show that 19.93% from 3,336 patients still haven't got their transplant in 2023. Next is rejection. Recipients have high risk of rejecting the new heart due to their immune system, and medical staff use immunosuppressive medication to overcome this. One of the ethical issues is due to animal testing. A number of animals are sacrificed for the research of heart transplant. Xenotransplantation is also an ethical issue that is being discussed until today. Usage of animal heart to replace human heart faces opposition from animal rights. Usage of pig hearts also oppose religious traditions such as Islam.
The first future issue is the integration of artificial intelligence in cardiology department. AI, or known as artificial intelligence, is a wide-ranging branch and rapidly evolving field of computer science that aims to build smart machines which are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. There are a few limitations and challenges regarding the AI implementation in clinical practices. These limitations include the data collection concern due to the confidentiality of patients' record. Other limitations are algorithms development concerns and the ethical concerns. The ethical concerns regarding the integration of AI in cardiology department fall onto three major categories. First is bias and fairness of the AI algorithms across diverse patient population. Next up is the accountability of AI in healthcare. Third is the transparency and explainability of AI algorithms to both healthcare professionals and patients.
The second future issue is the future development of science and technology in pacemaker. The first aspect is the cost. The pacemaker in India and China will experience a reduction of cost by around $500. The ethical consideration raised is equitable access, which ensure all individuals from different economic status can afford the pacemaker. Future pacemaker will be in smaller size, contributing to patient comforts. The ethical consideration raised are biocompatibility and durability of the materials. Future pacemaker will be linked to online platform and integrate with AI. Patient can monitor the device through mobile apps. Integration of AI can analyze patient data. However, it is vulnerable to hacker attack. Hackers can reprogram the device, causing the pacemaker to malfunction. The ethical considerations are patient safety, autonomy, privacy, and security. This concern must be raised as the patient's health data is confidential.
While heart transplant offer a crucial lifeline for numerous individuals, it still raises a few issues in the future. One of them is concern about the procedure costs that pose significant challenge for the future. The average cost for a heart transplant in the United States before insurance coverage reached around 1.6 billion. This shows that only the upper class netizens are able to afford this, and we should not measure human life based on their financial. Next is immune suppression. Lifelong immunosuppressive medication are required to prevent rejection of the transplanted heart, and this can cause side effects such as fatigue, diabetes, high blood pressure, and osteoporosis. This can cause a serious problem to the patient, especially all the elderly. Lastly, xenotransplantation will still be a topic to discuss in the future. As xenotransplantation, the use of animals' organs for transplantation, becomes a more feasible ethical questions about animal rights. The potential for zoonotic diseases and the genetic modification of animal may be intensified. In conclusion, the advancement of medical technology and method in cardiology departments, such as the implementation of smart technologies, pacemakers, heart transplants, bring a lot of benefits into the medical world, but it still brings out a lot of issues in the current time as well as in the future.